For those who may not know, I'm in the healthcare field, a CNA, nursing assistant at that. So I work in assisted living where I do living with an elderly lady. I had her for 2 years and 5 months. And I watch her struggle. And I was there yesterday. I said to her, I told you, I'm always going to be here, and I've never left. I'm here today. And everyone was watching that she take her last breath. And I said, I did my best. And don't forget, I love you. And I held her hand. And she take her last breath in my hand. I could not cry because, in this healthcare field, you have to be strong for the family. But the other day, I wept. I wept when I look and I see